You're watching this video. Or are you? I mean, you feel like you're watching it. You have memories of clicking on it. But what if I told you none of that was real? What if every one of your memories and sensations is just a collision of particles out in the void? That sounds insane, but eternity can make the nearly impossible inevitable. Our story begins with the law that gives time its arrow and will decide life's ultimate fate. Entropy. The idea that everything in the universe tends to move towards disorder. Vapor disperses, structures crumble. The most probable arrangement of parts is disorganized. Usually. See, entropy isn't a law like gravity is a law. It's a tendency describing what's likely, not what's guaranteed. Given enough time, order by pure chance. These small chances need vast time, and our universe may just provide eternity. Because not only is our universe expanding, that expansion is accelerating, and it's driven by a mysterious force called dark energy. The more space there is, the more dark energy there is. More dark energy creates more space, and so on. So, while nothing moves faster than light, space itself can expand so fast that distant galaxies move away from each other faster than light can travel. Locally, they are barely moving, but relative to a distant observer, they just fade out of reach. This furthest distance from which light can still reach you is called the cosmological horizon. Beyond it, nothing can be observed. It is the edge of our subjective map. So in the far future, intelligent life may look up and see nothing but their own galaxy. With no evidence of the Big Bang, their understanding of the cosmos may be profoundly incomplete. The cosmological horizon has a faint temperature. It emits a trickle of radiation, particles emerging from the fabric of space itself. These particles may collide, forming fleeting structures that vanish almost instantly. More complex objects are vastly less likely, but given enough time, even the most improbable fluctuations can occur. And eventually, a thinking, feeling hunk of processing power, floating in the great beyond. The conditions suitable for life as we know it will have vanished long before this happens for the first time. Entropy, combined with an expanding universe, will eventually create a cosmos where matter and energy are so spread out that life cannot be sustained. Stars will have used all of their fuel, planets frozen, thought itself will be extinct. And then, for one brief moment, it makes a comeback. How does any of this make you a space brain? You were born, you remember growing up, you remember yesterday. If the universe lasts forever, space brains will vastly outnumber normal brains, which means if you pick a conscious experience at random from the full history of the universe, the probability that it belongs to an evolved mind is quite small. Most space brains will have weird experiences.
Flashes of nonsense. But some, by sheer chance, will have a set of coherent memories, a sense of self, a past, a world that makes sense. Some will even perceive objects around them, and then poof, gone. Future physics may reveal that the universe doesn't last forever, or that such fluctuations ever arise. But we've never proved any of that. Okay, let's say you buy it. You reason your way through the physics and conclude, I'm a brain floating in space. Then your knowledge of physics is fabricated. Your understanding of this probability, fabricated. The logic you used to get here is fabricated. Fabricated. One more question. Tell me about the solar system.